To add a bank account to Apple Pay without a card, you can follow these general steps in the United States. First, verify if your bank allows you to add accounts to Apple Pay by checking their official website or contacting their client services. Next, launch the Wallet application on your iPhone, which is pre-installed on devices running iOS 9 or later. To add a new account, click the plus symbol in the top right corner of the application. Instead of adding a credit or debit card, select the option to add a different card, and then choose to enter the card details manually. You will be required to input your bank account information, including the account number and routing number, which are unique to your bank account and branch. After submitting the necessary information, click Next to continue, and Apple Pay will validate the specified bank account details. The authentication process may vary depending on your bank and may include receiving a code via SMS, calling your bank, or other types of verification. Follow the on-screen guidelines to complete the validation process, and be sure to provide any additional details or actions required by your bank. Once the bank account is fully validated, it should be added to your Apple Pay wallet. Note that the specific steps and selections may differ based on your iPhone settings and iOS version. If you encounter any issues or have difficulty adding your bank account, you can contact your financial institution's customer service or Apple's client support at 1-800-275-2273 for guidance.